Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a created rule on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start this tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, as you know in the previous tutorial prior to this, I did create a rule that the user could send an email, and that email would then be sent directly into a folder, which we see on screen. So this was sent from the Computer Science Videos business at Gmail account. Hello admin, please see the email. Kind regards, CSV. And so in this tutorial, we are looking to delete that rule. So let's go to rules. Let's go to edit rules. Those rules should pop up on screen. Click on this. And now to delete this rule, let's click on the minus sign. Are you sure you want to delete the selected rules? Yes, I am. Delete. And now close out of this window. Let's save. So then, if I were to, let's just say, send another email via the same Gmail account to the admin inbox, it should now pop up in the inbox and not in that folder. So let's now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the additional web browser, Google Chrome, enter to open up the web browser. Now let's go to Gmail. Let's now compile another email, go to Compose, increase the size of the email window. Let's send this to the admin account. Click on this, let's choose a subject. Hello admin. Please see the email below. Kind regards. CSV. Let's now send the email. Let's now close out of Google Chrome. Now let's go down to the dock. Go back to Microsoft Outlook, and this email should pop up on screen fairly quickly. And there we go. So the rule itself has not been applied as it has been deleted. So we can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.